Hey, welcome back to Blue Chip Wednesday night here on the channel. Tonight's second blue chip stock is what? Exxon Mobil, stock symbol what? XOM. Of course, again, this is, of course, there's a reason why Exxon Mobil is classified or called a blue chip aristocrat. I'll come back to that at the end of the first video. For two videos, as always, of course, first video is stock charts returns and a brief comment on dividends, and the second one is forecast, okay? So, of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not intended for financial investment or trading advice. Okay, so let's start out with the moving averages. Good news, we're still above the 100 moving average, but it has come down from its lofty heights all the way maybe as much as 10 points. Okay, MACD plot, pretty strong negative momentum here, continuing down. It crossed underneath the signal line, blue signal line. Well, had a pretty good last 11 months, right? Not necessarily big gains, but pretty big gains here the last 3 months. Right now, we're behind the 8 ball a little bit. Remember, it's always first closing price, last closing price, okay? Bollinger Bands, really narrowed down. It kind of crossed down a little bit, then above. Now it's below the moving average line, moving down along the -2 standard deviations. And if you had invested $10,000 back in April last year, that'd be, you'd be up about, I don't know, maybe 30%. If you invested $10,000 here, April, it'd be worth about $13,000. But of course, remember dividends, and drawdown. Some interesting drawdowns here, but again, take a deep breath, so that's it. So what about dividends? Why do I say it's called a Aristocrat? Because that's what Jiminy says. Look at this. ExxonMobil is one of the most reliable dividend records of the S&P 500. Currently recognized as a dividend aristocrat, the company has paid an uninterrupted dividend since 1882 and has increased its annual payout for 44 consecutive years. And there you go. That's why it's called a dividend aristocrat.